Imagine a world where ideas take flight, quite literally. Welcome to the domain of Aakruthi 3D, a collective of aerospace engineers and design thinkers who are fervently committed to turning concepts into reality. Our passion extends across the spectrum of engineering design and simulation, 3D printing technology, 3D scanning technology, and manufacturing and testing. We push the boundaries of engineering excellence, offering a comprehensive suite of end-to-end engineering services. Aakruthi 3D is your go-to destination for all engineering needs, spanning the entire product development lifecycle. We leverage the might of 3D printing and scanning for speedy, cost-effective prototyping, tooling, and manufacturing. Our innovative practices drastically cut down time to market, providing you with a competitive edge. Whether it's aerospace, automobile, consumer goods, energy, electronics, or mechanical industries, we've got you covered. Our mission: to bolster your engineering pursuits with unmatched precision, speed, and quality. We are Aakruthi 3D, your reliable ally in manifesting ideas, one layer at a time.